Hey guys, here Jack Anton with you. I'm gonna show you in this video the new features we've been working on for Plethora for this new update. Now, you might ask, hey Jack, what's new for Launchpad? Well, now to play Launchpad you require Launchpad tries. They are given every time Launchpad happen. You have only 3 tries to be able to score among the top players to be able to win a surprise. Now, you see Launchpad tries. Now you also see these minigame tries and also gold. You might wonder what are these two for? This is a new concept we are implementing in Plethora where we have these minigames you're able to play, which are like a shorter version of the launchpads. So let's try playing one of them. You see, I'm gonna spend one minigame try. The good thing is that if you run out of minigame tries, you will be able to buy more minigame tries with gold. Every day, you will have 3 tries to play 3 minigames, plus the other try you can buy with gold. So, what is the whole idea of minigames? They are like a shorter version of launchpads. They are intended to get you ready and help you master your ability of jumping, moving, avoiding obstacles, and much more, all related to parkour to be able to score among the top players, uh, be have an opportunity of winning prizes. So you can see they are really straightforward, really short mini games. And what's lovely of them is that you will master your skills. They come with reward every time you go through. Also pass these mini games. You see, I just won XP and gold and something special. I haven't told you yet. Sometimes you'll be able to win NFTs. So you better keep playing everyday minigames, because the more consistent you are on minigames, the more chance you have of winning an NFT playing minigame. Not just playing launchpads, but also playing minigames. So this is lovely. This is another map I made. This is the second one out of 10 map I've done so far for minigames. Um, oh shoot. Yeah, even me. Even I even have a hard time playing these minigames, because even me have to get better at it. Let's see if I can make it around. Yeah, I got my tricks to go through. You can try those tricks too if you want. See if you can, if you manage to beat my score on the minigames. I bet I'm gonna make it 1 minute. Oh shoot, I'm gonna start over. If that didn't happen, I would have scored like 1 minute. But that's fine. I can go through. This is the another way around. This is the easier but the longest path. Having to follow the direction of these uh, rotating walls. But I can do this trick here, like shooting, like, hey, taking shortcuts. Ah, come on, one more time. Let's see if I can make it. You see, even though they are short and they seems easy to go through, they are challenging. They require you some skill, some thinking, some timing. So these mini games are gonna help you to get better at your skills, to go through the launchpad easily, or at least it isn't gonna be that difficult to you. So hopefully you get to know all 10 launchpads because they are randomly selected for you. Once you press play on the minigame panel or window, um, one minigame is gonna get randomly selected. You see, I won. Let's try the last one. Uh, let's see what map pop-ups. Okay, this one is one of my favorite maps. This is the rolling floor. I'm getting really good at it. Oh shoot! No! Oh, come on! Really? I was so close to go through. Oh no no no! Almost. I was halfway. Maybe you might be complaining, hey, why are you so bad? No, it's not that I'm bad. Every roller is a faster one. So you see, it's challenging. You start easy, but then it gets more complex, this minimap. Oh, finally, I made it. Well, guys, this is it for the minigames. Now you see I've run out of minigame tries. If I press play and now it tells me, hey, you don't have minigame tries. However, you can buy as long as you have gold. So I press buy and you see I got deducted and I have another try to play another minigame. And this is all for today. Thank you for sticking on the video and watching my process through the mini games, and hopefully soon enough you'll be able to play them. Hope you enjoy them, guys.